Remove the opening tool. Cable from the tail housing at the bottom penetrates into the fiber optic cable to stripping pliers benchmarking end. Holding clamp handle, pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged. The cable sheath incision close retaining surface. Close the guide stripper. Pull out the cable. Clean with alcohol fiber. Open guide stripper, the cable cut pressing block, together into the cutter groove. Cutting bare fiber length, 27 millimeters. Carefully into the optical fiber. The cable sheath incision touches a limit rod. Wear the fiber in place, and then screwed into the cowled putment, locking the cable sheath. Compression dust-proof cap stopper. Press box cover, locking the bias fiber. Remove dust cap stopper, cleaning ferrule end face. Optical fiber cutting surface quality inspection. Put down the dust cap stopper and install the shell. Fiber finish quickly end. Below is the decomposition demonstration. Against the dust cap, back shell. The opening tool, pushing the box cover. Unscrew the cowled putment. Loose skin exhibition. Opening operation.